Konnichiwa guys. Before starting the video, I want to talk about something and it will take highest 1 minute, so please don't skip this part. Okay, first of all, please pray for Lebanon. You all saw it yesterday. There has been a huge explosion in the capital of Lebanon and there has been a lot of damage and casualties. Even I still can't believe it. It made us all very upset. So this video, this artwork, I dedicate to everyone in Lebanon, especially the children. So please pray for them, pray for Lebanon. Oh, and one more thing, thank you all very much. You guys are awesome. With your support, I have been able to reach the milestone of 100 subscribers and I really hope you will support me in future. So now, let's go straight to the video.
If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda